I am Akshara Shukla. My roll number is 21EX10005 and my section is section 16. So for my DIY project 1, I have made a mobile phone. So firstly, in order to provide this rectangle body, I used a sketcher option, and then in order to provide the main body of this mobile phone, I used the pad feature. For providing curve to these edges, as you can see here, so for this I used the fillet option, and then talking coming towards this screen, so in this I used three options basically. First is a sketch option, and then I went for pad option, and later on I used fillet option towards the end. And then talking about these keys, so for these keys I used sketch and loft option, and then to make several keys of the same type I used 2D array. Talking about the main keys, so for this I basically used the box option in order to make these keys. And now let's move to the slots. Yeah. So talking about this charging slot, for this I used the boolean function, and then here I have provided a key via box option itself, and then the slots that I have provided towards the sides, these are all by the boolean function itself. And then moving towards the back of the phone. Yeah, so here this camera, for making this camera I used the loft option. And now let's move to Cura to see what it finally came out as and how much time. We are at Cura, and let's look at the different settings. I have kept the printing speed as 50 millimeter per second, and there are certain settings which I have kept at default, like pen speed is 100%, and then infill I have kept at 20. Let's see what it comes out at 50%. So when we'll slice it, it's taking approx 2 hours and 36 minutes, but finally what I selected was 20 as infill density, and in this case it's coming out to be precisely 2 hours and 30 minutes. And this is the preview mode in which I have kept it layer view, and this is the final time that it's taking. Thank you so much.